Okay, so today I was at the store and a guy with ginger hair and a green costume found me and said to me, "I wish you luck." And then 10 seconds later, I found 50 euro on the floor. Anyways, today we are playing Ginger Man Psycho. Yes, okay, let's go. Oh, this guy's playing Mega Knight, so we're probably going to lose the game. And Tesla. We're gonna kite the Mega Knight so hard right now. Please do some damage. One hit. Kite. Chat. He has no tower. Okay, that was a good goblin curse. Ain't no way I did that. Okay. So, she's now collecting elixir for Mega Knight. Which means I should probably... Okay. That's good. Now we kite the P.E.K.K.A. We kite Mega Knight. We archer the middle. Perfect. We jump behind this archer. No! No. Can we curse it? No, we cannot. We can still curse it, I mean. Only for 3 goblins, though. It did some damage. Okay, we have the best defense in the whole game. Activated King Tower, perfect.
Let's steal the show. You want to win a crown for me? For real.
Please, just skeletons. Please, skeletons. Why did I place it there? Just play skeletons, bro. Can you kite them again? Kite Psycho? Yo, next video idea? Kite Psycho. Okay, chat. I think we're winning this game. 3, 2, 1. GG's. This was the funniest game I ever played. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace. Roll the outro.